Let's talk about the cryptocurrency markets. As you guys know, I made a video yesterday discussing Germany and how they have paper hands and how they have been offloading billions of dollars of Bitcoin onto the open market. This caused cryptocurrency to crash, but you can see that we have recovered pretty nicely today. Bitcoin currently trading above $58,000, Ethereum now trading above $3,060, and Solana now trading above $140. The German government dumping Bitcoin on the open markets has not been helpful for crypto, obviously, as it's caused the markets to crash, but all of these dips have been getting eaten up. Hopefully, the German government has someone that works for them that understands the bull run is coming and they can sell Bitcoin for a higher price if they just hold. Good news, they're almost done selling. Bad news, they have about $1 billion more of Bitcoin to sell. Now, although the markets are correcting, I do have two positive pieces of news to cover in this segment. As you guys know, the highly anticipated Ethereum ETFs are expected to go live here in July, and these massive companies have filed their updated S1s with the SEC. The companies include Fidelity, Van Eck, Franklin, 21 Shares, Grayscale, and BlackRock. If you guys weren't here with us back in January of this year, we saw 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs approved by the SEC. Bitcoin was around $40,000 at that time, and then about a month and a half later, we saw an all-time high over $73,000. The Ethereum ETFs will be a bullish catalyst for a number of reasons. Honestly, I do think that Ethereum will exceed its all-time high, probably over $5,000 in the coming weeks or months after this Ethereum ETF is approved. And I also believe it's going to be big for all meme coins that are trading on the Ethereum blockchain. On top of that, we also have some bullish news from FTX. I haven't said that in about 10 years, right? FTX bullish news, but we do have some bullish news when it comes to FTX and their creditors, right? The people that lost money on the exchange getting a large amount of money paid back to them. You can see here that FTX creditors will get paid back in cash instead of in kind, which is not really the best, but also it's very, very big because they will receive a $10 billion paycheck that will be dispersed to all creditors that lost money on the FTX exchange. So $10 billion will go back to crypto investors. I think it's safe to assume that maybe half of this will go back into the crypto markets, right? If someone sends you $10,000, $20,000, the chances that you put it back into cryptocurrency when you're already in cryptocurrency are pretty high. And honestly, these people were not expecting to receive any money. So it's almost like free money, right? They weren't expecting to receive anything. They're getting a nice check, right? It's a percentage of what they lost on the platform. And like I said, I would imagine that a lot of this goes back into the cryptocurrency market. So yes, Germany is still dumping, but does it really matter in the long run? The answer is absolutely not. Bull run is still on, and I think it's going to be a very, very bullish bull run this cycle, guys. You guys, if you're watching this video, whether it's on Instagram, TikTok, X, you are so early to this year's cycle. You made it before all the retail investors. You made it before we really saw the market start to run. Yes, we saw the all-time high for Bitcoin. Yes, meme coins are running, but we haven't really seen any altcoin hit an all-time high besides BNB. So I think that the crypto markets are going to get very, very exciting. And I think that it truly does start with the Ethereum ETF, which is supposed to be approved and go live here sometime in July. So that's the video, guys. If you're watching this, leave a comment below. Make sure to share it with a friend and follow me directly here on social media. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you all on the next episode.